Seurat Technologies is working to revolutionize the metals manufacturing industry.
Seurat's breakthrough metal printing technology isn't an iteration on existing thinking. We've fundamentally reimagined how metal components are made. The area printing approach will enable scaled manufacturing of any metal component at the quality levels that industry demands and the economic levels needed for mass production. By patterning high-power lasers, Seurat prints an area at a time, effectively allowing for over 2 million lasers to be operated in parallel, melting an area in an instant 40 times per second. Seurat's laser process is curated to deliver the perfect amount of laser energy for each pixel. By carefully controlling how the laser energy is delivered, we can control microstructure, eliminate spatter, mitigate soot production, and produce exceptional surface finish and properties. Seurat's area printing technology won't be confined to addressing small, specialized applications. The approach will enable metal additive manufacturing to address high-volume, mainstream products. From consumer electronics to automobiles, from medical implants to industrial valves, Seurat's approach will revolutionize metal component supply chains and bring the agility and resilience of metal additive manufacturing techniques to the mainstream.
Seurat's area printing metal additive manufacturing technology is poised to revolutionize metals production, printing metal at a scale and quality industry needs. Seurat, printing the future.